Hi guys, and welcome to machine learning using Python. Okay, here is just the data that I've generated by creating an array containing 250 random floats between 0 and 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to file here. Let's start a new project entirely. And first thing first, I'm just going to close the first. Okay, so I've closed that. So what I'm going to do is I will import the NumPy, which I suppose you've installed on your system. Okay, then I'm going to declare Q. That's my variable. And this Q, all you just need to say is NumPy dot random dot uniform, and just let's enter the value. So I'm going to go for, let's say, 0.0 comma up to 7.0 comma, and just deliver approximately 250 of that. And all you then need to do is let's just print that out. And what am I printing out? That's going to be my variable key. There, that is it, done. All you then need to do after that is make sure your file is saved. So I'm going to call that data distribution 1. So let's click on save. So all you then need to do is go to file. Let's run the program. There we go. Look at that. So this is all about machine learning. Okay, and using the NumPy. So I'll be back with more tutorial with regards to machine learning. So see you guys later. Bye for now.